Let's talk about Econet's $1,600 5G router. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Master, the Zim Tech guy. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing, and if you do eventually end up liking the video, please hit that thumbs up button. So let's get into it. The country's largest mobile network operator by subscribers has just announced a shocker by announcing a $1,600 5G router.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
The router is actually going for $580,193. If you convert that using the bank rate, that works out at $1,600. Or if you're using the black market rate, that is 1,000 United States dollars. That is a lot of money just to connect to the internet. But why is it so expensive? To put it in context, a civil servant would need to work 6 months to just purchase the router. And we're not talking about the data here. Personally, I think the guys at Econet are out of touch with reality. I mean, who comes up with such decisions? These are the same guys who sell their iPhone 13 for 4,000 United States dollars.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man.
Do they realize that we're living in Zimbabwe? In fairness, they also introduced a cheaper option, which is run by a MediaTek processor, which goes for around 400 United States dollars. So I went to AliExpress and eBay just to find out on average how much 5G routers costs, and the high-end ones sell for around $500. So how does $500 morph up? But I think we're having the wrong conversation here. Why are they so obsessed with 5G when their 4G is, for lack of a better word, crap? Their network and services have been bad for a very long time. Just go to their Facebook page and see the number of people that are complaining there. So why are you focusing on 5G when your 4G is not working? That's the question. If you're not aware, Econet is the first mobile network operator to introduce 5G to the country. You can watch my video, I'll leave a card above. And I know there's always the argument that, you know what, dude, if you can't afford it, just leave it. But guys, seriously, $1,600 for a 5G router. That is just an instrument which we should be using to connect to the internet. And it costs that much, 4,000 USD for a phone. Now, I know businesses are allowed to charge whatever they want, but at some point, you know, sanity needs to kick in. I mean, who makes these decisions at Econet? You know, for you to come to the conclusion that maybe this device is going for 4,000 United States dollars or a router is going for $1,600. How did you come to those parameters? I mean, what costs are you using? Because even if you factor in all the costs, tax, duty, everything you want, it shouldn't come to 1,600 United States dollars. And besides, let's look at it even from a strategic point of view. Why are you focusing on selling 5G routers? Now, at the moment, Econet doesn't have coverage for 5G nationwide, but there are some parts of Harare and Bulawayo that have 5G. Just a side note, are there people who actually buy routers for 1,600 United States dollars? If they are, I think I'm living in the wrong side of this country. So, what do you guys think? Is it fair to charge $1,600 for a 5G router? Leave a comment down below. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Otherwise, see you in the next video.